Hey folks, a very warm and very windy day across the valley today. Temperatures topping out in the 80s in many locations, but we've cooled from that. 72 to 77 across most of the area. Still 80 right now in Rio Grande City, so with some afternoon sunshine, things really warmed up. And the wind gust, it's still going pretty good in a few places, but only a handful of airports reporting strong winds still, and only about 20 to 30, unlike it was earlier when the gusts were almost to 40 at 38, 39 mile per hour gust, Harlingen, Port Isabel. If you look at our low temperatures tonight, as the wind dies down a little bit, temperatures are going to bottom out right around 70, give or take a degree or two. And then tomorrow, right back where we were today, maybe a couple degrees warmer, 86 in the west, 85 McAllen and Edinburgh, 84 Harlingen, Weslaco, Raymondville, 83 in Brownsville, the island, tops out about 77. Normal high for this time of year, 78. The average tomorrow will be 84. Even warmer on Friday, and then a front comes in Friday night, and Saturday and Sunday both look a little cooler, but still comfortable in the mid-70s across just about all of the area. Satellite and radar overhead showing just some high clouds racing across this afternoon, and they'll be there through the nighttime hours. Models hit it maybe a brief shower right offshore, so if you get brushed by a light shower at the coast, that's about all we have a chance of seeing. And then tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny and windy again. Probably not quite as windy as today, but still gusts over 30 miles an hour in a lot of places. This model, a high-resolution future track, indicating a couple showers in the northern and western sections of the valley tomorrow night. This is the only model that suggests that, so we're going to keep kind of refining that forecast to see if it's going to change. But right now, we're keeping it dry for tomorrow night. Again, maybe at the coast, a slight chance tomorrow. And then Friday night, the next front comes in. Late Friday night could trigger a brief shower, but then by Saturday, it's gone. Saturday day and night look like will be dry. Sunday looks dry as well. Here's the rest of Texas right now, 77. From here to San Antonio to Austin. A little cooler when you get to Dallas, 74. Dalhart at 61 tonight. Clouds and spotty showers moving into the middle part of the state. These are high clouds that are working their way just into the northern and western ranchlands, not far from the valley. Again, we'll deal with some of those clouds tonight, but for the most part, it's just partly cloudy skies. Here's tomorrow. 11 a.m. Windy again to the north of us, scattered showers, but should be dry here. We go into Friday and still breezy, but not like today, not like tomorrow, just a light breeze. Here comes the next front, triggering showers across a lot of Texas. It looks like for us, if you watch, you might see a brief shower right there close to the coast late Friday night, early in the morning on Saturday. Then after that, we dry out again. So the chance of rain will fade pretty quickly once we get that front through here, and the mild temperatures will build in. The front not particularly strong, but it'll lower things just a little bit. At the coast, winds out of the south tomorrow, 10 to 20 knots, a moderate chop on the bay. The UV is moderate. Small craft advisory in effect because of the strong winds. The sea's kicking up to 3 to 7 feet. Low tide early in the morning, high tide a little later, and then 4:17 tomorrow afternoon. That's the low tide. So for tonight, your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast, partly cloudy, breezy, and mild, 71. The wind about 10 to 20, so not like it was earlier today when it was 15 to 30. Tomorrow, we're back to 15 to 25 out of the south to southeast, so certainly breezy. The flag might be doing that tomorrow. 84 for your high, so a warm day across the region. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days looks this way. A couple of warm days late Friday night into early Saturday. Could be a brief shower. The weekend looks dry, though, for the most part. We start to warm up again, and then late Tuesday into Wednesday, yet another front comes in, making it a little bit cooler for Wednesday. Chance of rain very small for that right now with that front late Tuesday. Thanksgiving the day after, at this point, look pretty warm. We'll take a close look at that holiday forecast coming up a little bit later on. That's your updated First 1-5 forecast.